Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, thank you everyone for your likes, shares and subscribe. And in case if at all you need any additional service, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. And friends, this is a channel for all the working people, especially for people those who don't have much time for trading. So in case if you are new to this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. You'll be getting daily videos of live trading as well as strategies. Okay, so today's video, you would have seen the heading. It's a question which I want to ask you, which you have to think for yourself very seriously as well. You don't take it very lightly, because I'll tell you the reason why I'm talking about this, what inspired me for taking this, and how do we overcome the problems of this. All those things I'll be covering in this particular video. So stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full details about this. Okay friends, so the question is, are you a trader? Come on, I'm not asking a question whether are you a trader or not a trader. The question which I'm asking you is, are you a trader or are you a gambler? Yes, the question is, are you a trader or are you a gambler? Why I'm asking this question is, friends, because almost I think last 1 week, one full week, you would have seen how the market was moving. It was moving up and down, and you can see the suddenly 1,000 points movement up and suddenly 500 points, 1,000 points movement down, and then again there was again 300, 400 points up, and it was very volatile. And the most important thing was the bracket orders, the OC orders, all were closed. And in fact, on Thursday or Friday, there was one time when there was complete shutdown of the market, and many were panicked. Or many, it's not the word's not panic. Many were worried that they were not able to trade, they were not able to execute the trade. Okay, so it brings a question to me that, are you a trader or are you a gambler? Because people, those who gamble, they can't resist gambling, they can't resist playing. Say for example, they're doing horse riding or they're going to casino. Once they start playing, they get that adrenaline rush. They start enjoying that defeat, or enjoying the game, or enjoying the hope of winning. There are many things which keeps on pumping in, and they can't resist playing. They keep on playing. That is why you would have seen your parents also saying that don't go start playing horse riding, I mean betting on horses, or don't go to casinos, or don't go for gambling, don't go for playing cards and all those things. Reason, because you get so very addicted to that you can't live without it. You want to play it daily, that if you won't get that thrill of winning or losing, you can't resist. So have you come to such a stage? Now I would just give you, I want to mention you what inspired me. Okay, so as you all know that we're doing this mentorship program, and then we trade between 9:30 to 10:30, and this particular day when the market got shut completely till 10:30, there are many students who were like panic in the sense, sir, I could not trade today, I'm feeling very bad, I'm feeling very depressed and all this. I was asking, why? What's the problem? Market is always there. So this made me think that there are many people who are addicted to trading. And one more incident which inspired me for making this video is, the month of February starting was very good. Okay, so all those who started off in the month of February doing this ATF mentorship program were all making profits. And then I had very clearly told in my mentorship program that once we achieve our monthly targets, we have to stop trading for the particular month. In spite of saying all this, in spite of teaching all this, in spite of always following all this, in the month of February, what I observed is, even after continuous achieving their targets within 15-20 days, many of them continued trading till end of the month. And as you all know, end of the month was very volatile, and many of them lost money, lost the profit whatever they made in the month starting. It's not that they became negative, their profits percentage came down. So again, I asked the same question. Friends, I had very clearly told stop trading once your target is achieved, but then what made you continue? So again, the answer which I was getting is, sir, I can't resist trading. As soon as I get up in the morning, or as soon as 9 market opens at 9:15, I get the urge to trade. Friends, please think for yourself, if this is your situation, if you're not able to stop trading, or if you're not able to trade for a particular day, it means that it is gambling. You are entered into a mode of gambling. You're not taking trading as a business. Trading is something which has to be considered like a business. Just in a business, in case if there's a season of good profits and all those things, you continuously keep pushing the markets, you keep recruiting more salespeople, you give more salary to them, you concentrate more. But during the time of festivals, or might be during the time of when there is no business and all those things, you scale down your business, you reduce your manpower, you reduce your expenses, all those things. So it is not that always it has to be in the same line. It has to follow a graph. Same way in trading. When there are days which you have to trade, you have to trade. When there are days which you can't trade or you should not trade, you should stay away from trading. Okay, so ask this question to yourself: are you able to stay out of trading on any particular day? Say for example, today is Monday. Okay, so today is already over. So say for example tomorrow, if at all there is some big movement in market, and if at all the OC orders are blocked, if at all the bracket orders are blocked, can you stay away from trading? If at all you are able to stay away from trading and concentrate peacefully in other jobs, then you are on the right track. You are a trader. But in case if you're not able to control your emotions and you want to go and place at least one order, then that means that you are into gambling. And I would just like to give you one few tips how to overcome this kind of situation. Okay. First and foremost thing is, if at all you're not able to resist trading, try to limit your quantity at least. Try to reduce. Say for example, you're trading with 1 lakh rupees, and during these times of hard times, or might be when days when you're not supposed to travel, reduce it drastically to 10%, at least by 10,000 rupees. Trade for 10,000 rupees. Thereby you have a satisfaction that at least you have traded, and second thing is that you will not lose much in case if there is any losses. So this is one thing which I was practicing to overcome. Yes, I also agree that these kind of urges even I had. It is not that something which has come deep inside me or it is inbuilt in me. These are all cultivated over the long time. Okay, so then what you can do is scale down drastically from, if at all you are trading with 1 lakh, come down to 10,000. So then you get a satisfaction that yes, you are in the market, you are trading the market. Yes, I have achieved my monthly targets, so I don't have to worry about the targets. I'm just trading because I have to understand what is going on in the market. I have to understand what the strategy is performing and all those things. That is one thing. Second thing is, if at all you want to divert yourself from trading for one particular day, best thing is physical exercise. Friends, this is one thing which I used extensively. What I do is, in case if I decide that I should not trade for tomorrow, after tomorrow, I used to catch up with my friends. I should tell my friends or decide with myself that I'll start going for running, or I'll start going for cycling, or might be, I'll go on the treadmill or something like that. You can divert your mind by doing some physical work or physical exercise. If at all you're not going to work, if at all you're not free, if at all you're full-time free and all those things, divert yourself by going to by doing a physical work. This will really divert you from trading. Try to follow these two principles, friends. And one more thing, which I recently updated my WhatsApp status also. I'm happy that I'm a trader, and also there are many who are doing trading and who wants to come to the field of trading. What I want to say you is, the recent corona outbreak has made a lot of panic. Many people are losing jobs. Many people are not able to go out and work, because you can see the latest news that the theaters are closed, the malls are closed, cricket matches have been postponed, IPLs have been postponed. Many even they're planning even to postpone the Olympics if it continues. So many things. Many might be losing their jobs. Many might be who are dependent on daily income, like who are running the taxis, Ola. There are many friends of mine in this Facebook channel itself. Those who run Ola, and they are doing trading as well. There are those who are running auto rickshaws. There are those who are dependent on daily incomes. Friends, if at all you are missing your incomes in all these kind of regular jobs, friends, I would say trading is the best thing. Because even if there is corona outbreak, or even if you don't have to go out, you can sit at home and you can trade. This is the best part of trading. So if at all you are having break from your office, because many of them have holidays, many of them are sitting at home, many of them have got work from home. If at all you have got 1 week or 2 week time, I would say dedicate this 1 or 2 weeks to learn more about trading and practice yourself, because this can become a major source of income. As of now, I agree, those who are starting will not be a source of income. It will just be contributing a small part, or it might be making losses for you. But have that trust, don't give up. On the long run, might be by the next market crash or by the next recession, I would bet you that yes, you will be dependent on trading, and you will be you will have income from trading. And you might ask one more question, sir. In case if market crash happens and if recession happens, then even market goes down and then you will also lose money. No, it's a wrong misconception. I'm not talking about investment, I'm talking about trading. Friends, in trading, even if the market goes down or if the market goes up, we make money. Because you saw last week, the market was continuously going down and we all made money in our Bank Nifty live trading, which I was posting. Yes, all the day were profit. It doesn't mean that every time you'll be making money. The reason why I made money was because market was moving only in one direction. That is why I was able to make profit every day. So in case if the market starts ranging, or if the market starts moving up and down, then we might end up in loss. So let us utilize this best gift which you have got, that is trading. make money even if the market is going down or market is going up, or if you're sitting in the house, or if you're traveling, or you're working, or you're going out for your trips or anything of that sort. Trading can be a source of income to you, but not now initially, but after lots and lots of practice. So if at all you're at home, and if at all you felt that yes, you can't depend on your income alone, job alone, because you saw the recent outbreak. Many of you who are watching this video would have not seen the 2008 crash, or might be the 2000 crash, but they would have seen this crash. And friends, this happens regularly. It has happened in 2008, it has happened in 2000, and you can see it has happened now also in 2020. Okay, so this keeps coming, so don't worry, market recessions will keep coming. So start practicing trading, start learning trading, and be a trader, not a gambler. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.